Oh, there's a fish straight away. Cool winter's day, little afternoon session with my son Lachlan. He's chasing longtail tuna, also known as northern bluefin. Now I spent a lot of time in summer chasing them on the surface. They can be incredibly fussy when you're throwing lures at them, but enter the cooler months and that whole bite changes. It gets deeper and they get a whole lot easier to catch. It's exactly the type of mark that I'd chase snapper for in winter, and that's exactly how I started catching a lot of longtail in the cooler months, was targeting snapper, plastics, float lining baits, and as a bycatch, catching a whole lot of longtail tuna. And now, when I know they're around, it's just a great afternoon session to come out and play with them. But bait on the bottom like that will have them not too far away because they are feeding slightly deeper in the water column. Find a spot like that, we're going to put the electric in and spot on that, then we're going to put live baits down, dead baits, and have a lure ready to go as well, and hopefully get to play with some. Get it down to depth, let the sounder tell you where it needs to be. There's little packs of fish coming through. It's a case you just get it down to them, let it sit there. Some days it's all about the dead bait, so it's always what, oh, there's a fish straight away. There we go. Come and grab the live bait. There we go. Target species. Nice little longtail tuna. Ooh. Northern bluefin, longtail tuna. It's great little school size, great eating size. So much fun in the winter months. And where there's one, there's more. So we'll get another bait in action. Hopefully we might see a few come through and play with the lures as well. Definitely got some fish starting to streak through the sounder at the moment, mid-water. And there's a strong chance the longtails mixed in with a few mac tuna, which will keep us busy, no doubt. We are fishing with wire because it is that time of the year where there's still your toothy pelagics coming through. You've got school mackerel, there'll be the odd spotted and Spanish here, so I am keeping the wire out. Beauty is in winter, these longtails are not fussy at all about coming through and eating a bit of wire. It's the beauty of these cooler months. Running ball sinker rig, about 1 metre of trace down to the boat. In this case, a lot of them are sounding in that 20 metre mark, so I'm dropping that bait down to there, lightly weighted drag. I've got 30-pound braid, 50-pound leader. And that should be able to handle most of the critters which come cruising through here, whether they're Spanish or longtail. A light spin rod makes it very sporty, allows you to enjoy the whole process. Let's see if we can get another bite. Just be ready for him to go if he needs to. Nice. Oh yeah. At this stage we've got plenty of life coming through that sounder now, that 20 metre mark. And we've got one spin rod with a metal slug ready to go. And then we've got this, the 20 to 50 pound spin rod. It's a Venom, it's beautiful for live baiting. Got a live bait rig, running sinker, about 60 centimetres of trace down to a wire rig and the live bait. And we've got a floater on that other rod, which is our 15 to 30 pound outfit, which is perfect. It's just a classic float line snapper rig. And those three outfits are going to cover all these options. We'll see where the next bite comes from. This is the intriguing part. Oh. There we go. It's mayhem now. We got Lockie with one on the live bait, fish on the slug. You're gonna have to steer that around the boat there, Lockie. We're good. Lockie's playing with a longtail. It's doing typical longtail stuff, just pinwheeling around the boat. For all that solid 4 to 6, occasional 8 kilo fish, just beautiful eating size, and there's plenty of them in winter. Where they come through in your standard pelagic spots, you tend to find that you're finding your mackerel and your snapper and those type of species, you're going to find your longtails at depth, and it's just a case about finding that bait, seeing them coming through on the sounder preferably, and then getting either a dead bait down to them, lightly weighted, floated down, or a live bait, ticking all the boxes for them today, or even spinning a slug through them. There's a great way to spend a winter arvo, a bit of fun for Lockie. And if you're in a spot with the longtails, come past, do yourself a favour. A winter session, some live baits, dead baits or a lure. So much fun to be had. Great feed at the end, you can't complain with that.